In this video, we'll teach you how to double clutch a semi-truck, a technique that helps reduce wear and tear on the transmission and driveline. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Double clutching is a technique used to match the speed of the engine and transmission before shifting gears. It's especially important for semi-trucks because of their heavy weight and the stress that's put on the transmission and driveline. To double clutch, you'll need to perform the following steps. First, slow down and approach the shift point. Next, disengage the clutch by pressing the clutch pedal all the way down. Then, move the shifter to neutral. Shift to neutral by pressing the clutch pedal all the way down, moving the shifter to neutral, and releasing the clutch pedal. Now, rev the engine to match the speed of the transmission. Once the engine speed matches the transmission speed, engage the clutch. Shift into gear by moving the shifter to the desired gear. Finally, release the clutch pedal slowly to smoothly engage the transmission. Practice double clutching until you can do it smoothly and consistently. With practice, you'll be able to double clutch like a pro and extend the life of your transmission and driveline. Now get out there and give it a try. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more driving tips, and let us know in the comments how your double clutching practice is going.